Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 1, Ghana 0. I'm joined by my brother Kamabanu Puma Wupi.
Usmanga umatunda ngisuka Dobsonville. Yeah, extension 3. Because is for life. But what is important here, guys, we celebrate to win Bafana.
Yeah.
Ngithandile unity. Within abadlali. They fight for a page. They were united. Nama supporters zile, I'm happy ngabo futhi. And congratulations and bawishela ukuthi baye kahle ku AFCON na ku World Cup. And ngiyacela guys, just drive very safe. Sibe sober, sibehave kahle, singalwisani ngebhola bafethu. We are one. Singahlukana ama club esasupportayo, but let's drive safe.
Sonibona February.
Thank you Tamalama.
Sonibona February.